Hi everyone, today we talk about the chapter 18, Account and Clubs and Society. So under this Account and Club Society, we are focusing on the Receive and Payment Account, RMP, Shop Income Statements, and the Income and Expenditure Account, Statement of Financial Position. So we are going to prepare and learn how to prepare all these four. And also we need to adjust the income, the only income they receive, which is the main income they receive, which is subscription fees. We need to adjust their prepayment and the accrual. Okay, so what are the difference of all these four? RMP, receipt payment, is act as a cash book. So money received is debit side, money payout is credit side. Shop income statement is the because there's as a whole. Okay, for instance, this is the clubhouse, and at the corner here, you have a shop to sell the t-shirt, or the cafe to let the members to enjoy after their maybe their tennis, maybe their golf, or any other interest and hobby club and society. So basically, club and society is the main purpose is not for trading purpose. Their main purpose is not to earn money, but instead they are receiving only the subscription fees as their main resource of income. So in this situation, when they prepare their financial statement or accounts for cash flow, it's slightly different. But basically, RMP is the same as cash book, debit in, credit out. Debit plus, credit minus. No adjustment needed for accrual and prepayment in the RMP. No capital receipt and revenue receipt as well. Means that even though you sell and buy the asset, you still need to record in your RMP if you receive a cash money or the bank transaction. So no distinction, no difference between the capital expenditure and get a revenue expenditure. As I say, even though you buy non-current asset, you still need to put into the RMP, same as your cash book. Non-monetary is not recorded. So means that non-monetary is depreciation, provision for double debt, um, recovery debt. All this thing is provision for double debt and depreciation is not here. And shop income statement, that's why you see this one I'm going to prepare IS. As a whole club, later my IS profit will record into my I&E here, included as part of my income. So as a whole club, we prepare I&E. But you need to find out the profit happens here in the shop here. What kind of account that we prepare to find the profit for the year? We use back the IS. Since this using the IS here in the shop or the cafe, we couldn't use it for the for the whole. We cannot repeat two IS. So they change the IS into income and expenditure. And another thing is, one more thing we need to take into account is when you prepare the SOP, it will be exactly as what trading business SOP. Only one thing you need to take note is the capital will change to the name of the accumulated fund. And also one more thing to take care is under the I&E, the whole, if there is more profit for the year, we cannot say profit for the year. We must say surplus for the year. If there's a losses for the year, we are saying deficit of the year. But in IS, we still use the profit and loss for the year. Okay, so in I&E and IS must include all the accrual and prepayment adjustment, and also include the non-monetary items such as the depreciation. And then this one, wait, I need to erase first. Okay, after this, I will going to show you how does it look like as okay, here. So I already summarized here for my student. So this is the RMP look like. Money received will be debit side. Money paid out, no matter is for the capital expenditure or revenue expenditure, I still put under the credit side, means that money out, money in. The balance CD is the money that I still keep in the cash book. Okay, So for the shop and the cafe, I need to prepare income statement in order to find out the revenue. Like example, if let's say my club's having a cafe, so I will have money received from the members that are enjoying their coffee in the shop, in the cafe. So after that, I still need to buy the coffee bean, which is the purchases, and minus all the return as usual as what I prepare in my trading account. And minus all this closing inventory, that is the cost of sales amount. And after that, I need to less the very minimum expenses happen in my sales, as in my cafe, which is the wages or the salary pay for the shop assistant, the waitress. And then if there is some part of the rent you have to pay from the cafe, then you have to record here. So if there is a coffee machine that you need to use, they might have a depreciation as well. So here, as usual, as your normal trading IS, it will show either profit or loss of the account. But the very important things I need to highlight here is after you prepare the IS for the shop or the cafe, you will find either profit or loss, right? And this amount you are going to transfer into my I&E income section here if there is a profit generated in the shop. If there is or the cafe, there is a loss, then you must stay under the less expensive area. There is a less here I forgot to put. So the total income you receive, which is the only subscription fees of your member fees that you receive, and minus if any competition happened during the year or any money you receive minus the cost that involved in this competition, then you must find out the earnings. Then you will put here. If there's a losses, then you will put here. If there is losses for the competition, the whole things adjustment, you will move under the expenditure here. So if there is a loss or profit for the NCA, you must show here. Let's say there is a dispose of your NCA. So at the end of the day, you only can write surplus or the deficits for the year. You cannot put profit or the loss for the year. And last, this is the extract part for the SOP only. Means that the previous NCA plus CA are totally same as what you have done in your, or you have learned in your trading SOP. Only one part have to be changed is capital change to accumulated fund, because club and society do not have capitals formed by partners or the shareholder of the company. It is actually the funds that I accumulated, received from the members that I did not use. I keep it here. So opening balance is the remaining accumulated funds from the subscription fees I received from previous year, and add if there is a surplus for the year again, minus if there is a deficit, then there will be closing accumulated fund. So that's all. Then I will discuss the past paper and the practice the question for more understanding in during our class. Thank you very much.